We now continue with questions 31 through 35. Question 31. To make a 750-piece jigsaw puzzle more challenging, a puzzle company includes 5 extra pieces in the box, along with the 750 pieces. And those 5 extra pieces do not fit anywhere in the puzzle. If you buy such a puzzle box, break the seal on the box and immediately select one piece at random, what is the probability that it will be one of the extra pieces? So let's look at the total number of pieces. Total number of pieces is 750 plus 5, which is going to give us 755. And we'll look for one of the extra pieces. Number of extra pieces is 5. So probability of picking extra piece is 5 divided by 755. Number 32. What fraction lies exactly halfway between 2/3 and 3/4? So to find the fraction that lies halfway between, we're looking for the midpoint. So we'll look at midpoint is 2/3 plus 3/4 divided by 2, which is going to give us, we're going to change the denominator to 12. So we have 8 plus 9, which is 17 over 12 divided by 2, which is going to give us 17 over 12 times 1/2, which is going to give us 17 over 24. Number 33. So we're looking at this diagram here, and we're told that 0.25 inches represents 2 feet. It's an important fact from the question. And we're looking at a 15-foot wall is how many inches long on the scale of drawing. So 0.25 inches is equal to 2 feet. So we want to find out how many inches will represent 15 feet. So what we can do here is we can look at factors here. So for us to get from 2 to feet to 15 feet, we multiply by 7.5, and here also we have to multiply by 7.5. So what we have now is x is 0.25 times 7.5. So we can show the work here. 0.25, 7.5. So we have 125, put a 0 here, 5, 7, 1. So we have 1875, and we have 2 decimal places here, 1, 2, we got 3 decimal places, 1, 2, 3. So it's 1.875. Number 34. Important question here. So we're looking for the area of the floor that is not tiled, but let's pay attention to the area that is tiled first. So area not tiled is equal to total area minus area of tiled region. So our total area is 15 times 12. So we have, in this case, so cabinets will be installed along one of the 12-foot walls from floor to ceiling, and 4 cabinets that are 3 feet tall will be installed in the middle of the room. These are the only cabinets that will be installed, and each of them will be 2 feet by 2 feet, 2 feet wide and 2 feet deep. So let's look at the area that will be tiled. So we have this region right here, and then we have this right here. So this is going to be 2 times 12 for this region, and then here we have 4 cabinets. Each of them is going to have an area of 2 times 2. So this is going to be 180 minus 24 plus 16, which is 180 minus 40, which is going to give us 140 square feet. So we're told here that CC Installations estimate consists of a $650 charge for labor plus a fixed charge per cabinet. The labor charge and the charge per cabinet remains the same for any number of cabinets built and installed. CC Installations would give Guyana what estimate if the craft room were to have twice as many cabinets as Guyana is planning to have. So total cost, fixed cost of labor plus cost of cabinets. So now we have 2,150 is equal to 650 plus, let's call this X. So we subtract 650 from both sides. So the cost of the cabinet is $1,500. If we're to double the number of cabinets, so 2x is going to be $3,000, and then new cost is going to be fixed cost plus cabinet cost. So it's going to be 650 plus $3,000. So we're going to end up with a total cost of $3,650.